Taylor Alison Swift was born in 1989 on 13 December, age 31 years old, to Scott Kingsley Swift and Andrea Swift. Taylor Swift also has a younger brother named Austin Swift. She was born and raised in Pennsylvania. She had switched multiple schools during her childhood, but continued studying through a private school after becoming famous. Height and weight. Her height is 1.78 meters, 5 feet 10 inches, and her weight is 56 kg, 123.5 pounds. Taylor Swift net worth as of August 2021. Taylor Swift has an estimated net worth $400 million. She has made her $1 million empire through her record and tour sales. Her beautiful face also allows her to act as a model for several brands and magazine covers. She has also featured on an advertisement for brands like Apple and Beats iRadio. Taylor Swift has dated celebrities like Sam, Armstrong, Jack Gyllenhaal, John Mayer, Taylor Lautner, Harry Styles, Calvin Harris, and Tom Hiddleston. Currently, she is rumored to be dating Joe Alwyn, a British actor. If you are not a fan of Taylor Swift, you might not know that she is being quickly dating British actor Joe Alwyn for almost. Favorite things: chicken with dumpling, chicken tenders, and cookies. Actress Phoebe Waller-Bridge. Film Love Actually 2003. Car collection: Porche 911, Toyota Sequoia, Audi R8 Sports. Get an inside look at all of the Taylor Swift's homes.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.